Hi, my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini Show Recipes Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make Sri Lankan style fried rice, restaurant style. This is very famous in Sri Lanka. We love to eat this rice. So you can use meat, any meat as for your choice. But I'm doing it with egg today. So let's see how I'm doing it. It's a very easy, simple recipe, but yet so delicious. Today I'm using extra long grain basmati rice. Basmati rice goes best with this recipe. So I'm taking 3 cups. Please follow the packet instructions and cook as how they're asking you to cook. So here I am adding around 150 grams of ginger. Cut them into small pieces and then add it to our rice. And then we are going to cook it along with 3 chicken cubes. I'm breaking the chicken cubes like this small and then add them into rice. So 3 cups of rice, 3 chicken cubes and 150 grams of ginger. So here I'm going to cook it, and then I'm going to, after as I cook that one, I'm going to transfer this one to a big platter and then get set it aside, let it get cool completely. We don't want any hot rice to cook. In the meantime, you can remove the ginger pieces. If you are making your own broth at home, you don't have to worry adding ginger here and the chicken cubes, because your broth, you will get all the nourishment and the taste and everything from there. So you can, if you do your broth, you can filter everything and just add the broth here without adding any ginger, without adding any cubes. You just can cook with that. It will be much tastier than we are adding chicken cubes. So I'm leaving, they're setting aside this one, let it get cool off completely, and then if there's any anything stick together, break it into small pieces. You can see this extra long grain rice is, it's extremely long, like little noodles pieces, noodle pieces like that, quite long. Yeah, I took my big pot and also the small pot today. Small pot, I'm going to fry my garlic and my egg. I'm using egg today, so if you want to add chicken or prawns or whatever, or seafood or however you like, you can do it according to your taste. I'm adding some oil here. So around 10 to 12 pieces of cloves of garlic you can add here. These are my most favorite wood what is this, coconut shell spoons from Sri Lanka. I love these spoons. They are with me here for years and years. You always can see I'm using these spoons. I'm so used to that. Very easy, very easy on when to use that hand the spoon. I don't know how to explain that. So here I'm adding my garlic, around 8 to 10 garlics you can add here. Mince into small pieces. Don't let them burn, but make it brown, nicely, let it fry nice, deep, like fried it. So at this point you can prepare your meat or prawns or seafood or egg, however, whatever you want to add. You can add that one also here now. So usually you can boil your meat and prepare first, if it's prawns you don't have to, but if it's your meat, please boil it first and then break into small pieces. You can add that one at this point. You can add it here, and I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce here. I'm not adding any salt because my rice, I have enough salt, to give the enough taste for everything. So I'm not adding any salt in my dishes today here. My broth, it's always nice when you give enough salt taste to your rice, so that it's covered everything then. So I'm going to set aside also these eggs. Later I will add to my rice this one. You can see the garlic is deep, they are brown, it's not burnt but it's brown. So just set aside this one, and then we are going to take our big pot and start cooking in that pot. So these are my vegetables I prepared earlier. You can add any vegetables you like. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, or if not, you can add oil too. It doesn't matter, but butter always give a nice smell to this. And I'm going to add my vegetables, eggs, and everything here, except my garnishing. And fry with this butter for about 2 minutes before I add my rice. Today I'm using corn, green peas, bell pepper in 3 different colors, and some celery and carrot. Add anything you like. So here I'm adding my rice now. You can see they're very nice, it's not stick together, it's separated. And I can see some ginger pieces there, so I'm going to remove the ginger pieces while you're adding there on. If you find any pieces, please remove that. And now you don't have to put the spoon and like press it, just fold it gently, just keep folding it with the vegetables. Actually, I left my hot rice outside. I covered it nicely and left it outside, so it is really really nice now. It's dry and nice. So at this point, if you have white pepper, you can add white pepper. I don't have white pepper, so I'm adding black pepper. So check your salt. If it's not enough, you can add your salt. I'm not adding any salt because it's just enough for me, but I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. It's optional, again, you don't have to, but I just add for extra flavor, but you don't have to. But if you don't like this one, you can add some fish sauce if you like. God, I'm finding so difficult to tell the word fish sauce. I had really think when I'm telling that word, it's so difficult in my, it never fold in my mouth properly. Okay, mix it carefully, just fold it. It's so done, so nice. You have to have some chili paste with this. It's so nice to eat with chili paste. And here I'm adding my garnishing now, or some chicken curry or something, but you also just can eat like this, just plain. It's just nice, but to make extra special, nice to have a chicken curry or chili paste or something like that. You should give a try. This is very easy, quick recipe. It's so delicious. Add according to your taste, add your vegetables. You won't go wrong with this. It's so nice and the smell is so good around it. The secret is the way you cook rice. The broth, the rich broth, give everything to this dish, So please give it a try. Stay safe and take care. Till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye again.